Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Valentine's makeup look. Valentine's Day is right around the corner, so I thought it would be good just to give a last minute makeup idea. When I think of Valentine's Day I think of like pinks, reds, colours like that, so I'm just going to be coming up with something. First I'm going to prime my skin with the Benefit Professional. I always prime first before I do anything, because I always do my eyebrows first and my eyes, and then I move on to my skin. So then by the time I move on to my skin, hey, okay? Rania. Oh, that was too much. Shit. But yeah, I forgot what I was saying, but I always prime first. By the time I get to my foundation, my primer's like sunk in and it's like filled in all my pores. So then I'm going to be going in with brows. I'm going to be using my NYX Tame and Frame brow pomade. I always do brows first so that I can see like what shape of eye I want, and I just feel like it helps a lot knowing what kind of eyeshadow look you want to go for. So brows done. And then use the rest of the concealer that's on the back of my hand. Go over my eyelids, prime them. So moving on to eyes, I'm going to go in with my Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be going in with these two shades right here. But first I am going to set my lid with just a translucent powder. So yeah, going in with that pink shade, I'm going to put that all over the lid. And then just blending that out. It doesn't have to be neat at this point because we are just blending, and then we can go in later to neaten things up with a wet wipe on the edges. These eyeshadows are quite pigmented. They're not showing up as bright as they actually are like on camera. But the thing with these eyeshadows is they do stain your eyelids, so be mindful of that. Then like I said earlier, I'm going in with that purple shade. And then I'm going to be putting on the outer edges just to deepen it up, give it a bit of dimension. And I'm going to be putting in on the inner corner as well. Use my forehead in the background. Taking a smaller brush and then just going in on the crease. Kind of like a halo eye, that's what I'm doing. So leave some like video ideas of what you'd like me to do or what you want to see from me. I do want to start doing more hair videos, you know. I don't, like I said like in my first videos, I don't just want this channel to be all about makeup, but I feel like makeup is kind of popular, but you know, I don't just want to stick with what's popular at the minute. You know, I want to actually do what you guys want, so just leave some ideas down below just so I can get it done. It looks a bit like trash at the moment, but it will come together, just trust me. So now I'm going to be carving out the middle, like cutting it a little bit. So I'm going to take some concealer again. So I'm just going to be carving out the middle, kind of lifting my eyebrows up so I can like get the full lid because I've got hooded eye. So kind of like that. So then it kind of looks like that. Then for that sparkle bit, I'm going to be going in with this shade here. And then I'm just going to blend them together. Just going to blend them together so it doesn't look crazy. I'm going to add eyeliner and lashes off camera and then I'll be right back so we can go onto the skin. Eyes are done, so now I'm going to go on to skin. I'm going to be using my NARS and also my Maybelline Fit Me foundations. So I'm just going to squirt them on. The reason I use two is because the NARS one works well on the outside of my face, but this one, like if I put that on my nose, then it just looks like it separates, so I have to use like a different foundation on my nose for some reason. But yeah, this is the ghetto way of applying foundation. There's not even anything in it. And then I'm just gonna blend it out. And then I'm just going to go in with a beauty blender just to get rid of all like the brush strokes. Not a beauty blender, it's a Real Technique sponge. I thought I'd try something new, save some money, because the beauty blenders are like £16. And to conceal with my NARS Creamy. I'm just going to put loads of concealer on right because it's Valentine's Day and you don't want to look tired on Valentine's Day, do ya? And then it's good to leave your concealer to sit under your eyes because you get more coverage that way. So I leave it till last and blend it up right up into the corner until up into the corner. It looks so gross when it does that, doesn't it? What's everyone's plans for Valentine's Day anyway? Probably just stay in and spend some time. Bae. And I'm just going to go in the sides where I've got a little bit of eyeshadow, like that. I'm going to go in and set it with my number 7 translucent powder. I nicked this off my mum when I was about 14 and I've had it ever since. I'm now 21, so maybe I shouldn't really be using it, but don't tell nobody. If I was actually going out, then I would bake, but I'm not. So then going in with my Makeup Revolution contour kit. I usually just go like that with all of them. Add some, whoa. Add some colour back into my face. That might have been a bit too much colour, but I could blend it out. Let's move my wig out of the way. Grown by me. And don't come for me the way that I hold brushes. I hold them like this. It does the job, okay? Go under the chin, jaw, that double chin look. Like that. In a corner highlight, I'm going to be using the Modern Renaissance palette and going in with the shade Vermeer, which is this one, and that is my holy grail inner corner highlight. Just watch. Oh, are you kidding me? And I literally just slap it on. When it comes to inner corner highlight, I don't play games, I literally just slap it on. For actual highlight, I'm using my Makeup Forever Pro Light Fusion highlighter. So pretty. And it's blinding. Can blind all the fuckboys away. I'm like, I got a man. So then I'm just going to finish off with a nude lip because you can't go wrong. I'm going to go in with my Beat Up Soap and Glory Sexy Mother Pucker and also my Primark £2 lip gloss. My lips are dry as hell. I was going to add a little bit of my Colourpop Lippy Stick in that shade, in this shade, because, I don't know, it's a bit too nude. I feel like a doll. So, this is the finished look. I hope you like it. Please just let me know what you want to see down below. But yeah, these are the finished eyes. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, leave your opinions down below in the description box. Let me know what you want to see next. And I hope you all have an amazing Valentine's Day. Leave in the description box what you're doing, give me some ideas. Follow all of my social medias down below, and I'll see you in the next one.